Assalamu alaikum. If you want to remove noise from your audio, then this video is for you. These 4 tools are very helpful to remove noise, and the 4th one is my favorite. Now let's get started. For Android user, Lexus Audio Editor is very best app for noise cancelling. Open Lexus Audio Editor application and select this option and click on open. Now select your folder where your audio is recorded. Just go on the effect types and select noise reduction. Apply these settings. And the second is Adobe Podcast. Clean up audio for free with Adobe Podcast AI. Sign up here and import your audio file to remove noise. It is all free. And the third is Audacity. It is free software. Just drag your audio into it. Now increase this option. Now select your audio and go to Effect tab, Noise Removal and Reduction. Get Noise Profile. After getting the noise profile, press Ctrl A. Now go to the same option, Noise Reduction, and remember these settings and apply this. That's how you can remove your noise from audio and use a BGM background music to avoid noise. And if you want a complete audio editing tutorial, then please leave a comment down below. Now the 4th one is YT Create application. If you want to download YT Create application, then check your description. Now add audio. Here is my sample audio. In YT Create application, audio cleanup function is used to reduce noise reduction. It is very powerful tool to reduce noise from your audio.